Welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to do or how to measure a deep neck off shoulder blouse. So I have all my measurements here. If you don't know how to cut an off shoulder blouse, I have two off shoulder blouse, different types of cutting in my channel. So please go there, click on the playlist and watch the video on how to cut the normal off shoulder blouse and how to cut princess cut off shoulder blouse and how to cut the sleeve of the off shoulder blouse. So let's get to the work table. I have my measurement here. This is shoulder, this is the chest line, this is the bust line, under bust, and the waistline. So this is the bust line and the under bust. So I'm going to measure 4 inches this way. Then I'll now bring the 4 inches here too. So this is the bust span, which is 4 inches. I measure the darts. This is 1 inch, this is ½ inch. The same thing here, the same thing here, ½ inch, this ½ inch, and this is 1 inch. So I want to connect it this way. I want to connect the breast cup. So I'll now join this one too. So I'm going to connect this one this way. I'm drawing this line to the bust line. The same thing applicable to this side. So remember, it's a deep neck. Deep neck off shoulder blouse. So I'm going to connect it this way. This is the armhole line. So I want to measure the neck now. The neck, I'll take 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. This is the chest line. Then I'll now connect it to this place. I'm going to use my ruler to connect the 1 inch this way. The 1 inch will stop at the waistline. So I'm going to connect this place to the midpoint. So I'll blend the line. So I am through with this. I want to cut it off now. So I'm cutting the center front now. So this is how the deep neck look like. You can use the center for the skin net. You can remove this one. So this is that deep neck where you use a skin net in sewing it. So this is how to cut it. So I want to cut the back side of it now. This is the back side of it. I've already marked the measurement. So I want to measure the neck now. So the neck, I'm going to take 7 inches. So I'll connect it from here to the midpoint. So that's the neck. So this is the armhole. I'm marking the armhole now. So what we are going to do, you have to add 2 inches here for zipper. So I'm going to cut it this way. If you don't know how to cut an off-shoulder blouse, go to my channel, click on the playlist. I have a video on how to cut a perfect off-shoulder blouse and how to cut a perfect off-shoulder princess dart blouse too. So check it out, watch it. I have a video on how to cut the sleeve of an off-shoulder blouse. This is the dart side of it. You hold the dart this way and so. So this is the back. For the dart, you can likewise measure it this way. You can cut it like this. You can hold it and so. So this is the back side of the off-shoulder deep neck blouse. This is the front side of it. I want to arrange the front so we can have a look at it now. So this is how to cut a deep neck off-shoulder blouse. Deep neck off-shoulder blouse. So you can use the center, use it for skin net. This is how it's gonna look like. So we have come to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not done so. For the sleeve of this blouse, I'm going to make a video on it. I don't want to stay so long in one particular video. I don't want it to be so long. So I'm going to make a video on it. The next one will be the video of it, of the sleeve. So watch it out, check it out. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you're not done so. Bye. Take good care of yourself. Bye.